Welcome to another Little Nest house tour. Today we're exploring a gem from our Wilderness series, designed to help you disconnect from the hustle and bustle of modern life and reconnect with the tranquility of nature. On the left side of the house, we find a sturdy staircase leading to the main entrance. This side also reveals a glimpse of the thick stone wall at the back, grounding the house securely into its environment, offering both stability and a rustic charm. The back of the house features two well-placed windows, one for each bathroom. Moving to the right side, we discover a private deck area connected to the main bedroom. This secluded spot is perfect for quiet moments, whether it's sipping a glass of wine in the evening or enjoying a good book in the afternoon sun. As we approach this beautiful cabin, take in the stunning exterior. The house is perched gracefully on a hillside, with an expansive front deck that seems to float above the landscape. The sail-style shade offers both style and comfort, providing the perfect spot for morning coffee while enjoying breathtaking panoramic views. Imagine lounging here, surrounded by the serene beauty of nature, with nothing but the sound of birds and the gentle rustle of leaves. This wilderness cabin is perfect for those who dream of a slower pace, where mornings begin with the soft golden rays of sunlight streaming through the windows instead of an alarm clock. Imagine a life where every day's adventure is yours to choose, where you set the pace and the mood. Here, time slows down, and the simple pleasures of life, like a leisurely breakfast on the deck or a quiet evening under the stars, take center stage. The cabin is your personal sanctuary, a place where you can truly be present and embrace the serenity that surrounds you. Enough daydreaming, let's head inside. As we ascend the sturdy wooden stairs, the anticipation builds with each step. The ascent feels like a transition from the everyday to a retreat, as the elevated position provides a better vantage point of the surrounding landscape. At the top of the stairs, we're greeted by a welcoming entrance that hints at the warmth and comfort inside. Stepping through the front door, the foyer opens up with warm wood tones and natural light pouring in from strategically placed windows, immediately making you feel at home. The soft ambient light, combined with the earthy textures, creates an inviting atmosphere, setting the stage for the cozy and serene spaces that lie ahead. The guest bathroom, located just off the foyer, is a full bathroom equipped with a sink, toilet and shower. A single window provides a lovely view to the back, making even this functional space feel serene and connected to the outdoors. Imagine your guests feeling pampered and relaxed in this well-designed bathroom. Stepping into the main living area, we're greeted by an open-plan kitchen and dining space. The kitchen is perfectly designed for cooking home meals with ample storage and workspace. The kitchen island doubles as a dining table, perfect for meals with a view. The cabinetry, finished in a warm wood tone, harmonises with the natural surroundings, while modern appliances ensure you have everything you need for culinary creativity. Imagine preparing dinner here, with the scenery unfolding before you, making every meal a special occasion. Whether it's a casual breakfast or a gourmet dinner, this space caters to all your dining needs. Adjacent to the kitchen are two cosy bunk beds. These aren't just for sleeping, they double as reading nooks or day beds, each equipped with storage and privacy curtains. This versatile space is perfect for hosting guests or curling up with a good book. The design of the bunk beds ensures that everyone has a personal space to relax, with enough room for storing personal items both on the outside of the bunk beds as well as beside the beds. The large windows near the bunk beds are adorned with wooden slats on the exterior, offering a balance between privacy and the connection to the outdoors. The living room is an inviting space, partially covered by a glass atrium and featuring sliding glass doors that open to the front deck. With ample seating, this room is perfect for relaxing, entertaining, or simply soaking in the stunning views. The floor-to-ceiling glass doors blur the line between indoors and outdoors, letting you feel immersed in nature even while inside. Picture yourself here on a cozy evening with a warm drink in hand, watching the stars come out. Near the kitchen, we find the utility room. Though small, it serves as an essential space for practical needs. It's perfect for keeping household items out of sight. Now, let's explore the main bedroom. This ensuite room is designed for a king-size bed and features floor-to-ceiling glass doors that flood the space with natural light and offer direct access to the private deck. Picture waking up here with the first light of day casting a warm glow over the room and the fresh air inviting you to step outside and greet the morning. The room's layout ensures that the bed faces the stunning outdoor views, making every morning feel like waking up in paradise. Soft, natural tones in the bedroom decor enhance the peaceful ambience, creating a perfect retreat for rest and rejuvenation. Stepping out through the sliding glass doors, you'll find yourself on the large private deck that wraps around this side of the house. The deck is spacious enough for a variety of activities. Imagine roasting marshmallows by a portable fire pit, setting up a telescope for stargazing, or simply lounging with a good book. Picture yourself in a cozy seating area, relaxing and letting the stress of the day melt away. The main bedroom's private bathroom is a luxurious retreat. The thoughtful design of this bathroom ensures that every moment spent here feels like a spa experience, with high-end fixtures and a tranquil atmosphere. It includes a double vanity sink, a full shower, and a separate bathtub position to take advantage of a picture window overlooking the back of the property. Imagine soaking in the tub after a long day, with the tranquil views of nature all around you. The bathtub features inbuilt storage on its side, making the space even more functional and keeping all your bath essentials neatly organised. The double vanity is complemented by an additional storage closet, providing ample space for linens, toiletries and more. Enclosed at the end of the bathroom is a water closet, providing both convenience and privacy. The attention to detail and the clever use of space make this bathroom not only beautiful but incredibly practical, enhancing the overall comfort and convenience of the main bedroom suite. If you are dreaming of your own slice of paradise, visit us at littlestnest.com for detailed dimensions of our house designs. As we come to the end of our tour, we hope you have enjoyed exploring this house concept with us. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting house concepts and design ideas. Leave us a comment below to let us know which feature of this house was your favourite, or if there is a specific design element you would like to see more of in future videos. Little Nest, the journey to your dream home begins here. Oh look, here is another video you might enjoy.